Okay, I'm gonna show you some pictures. You have to make the sound of the animal. Everybody say sound of the animal. For instance, if you see a cat and I do the voice, what do you do? What do you say? Now, if girls, if I show you the picture of a right, but only the girls, all right? So boys, don't say anything. All right, you guys got it?
Yeah.
All right, now separate. Do not help each other out. Do not help each other out. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. The first one. Okay, the first one for the girls. Boys, don't say anything, otherwise you get a point for them. For the first, girls, what is this? Make the sound of that. Yes, a chicken. Go ahead. Chick. Good. Boys, the sound of this. Meow. Okay. The girls, the sound of this. Quack. Very good. The girls got a point. Boys, the sound of this. A fish. Blah. Very good. Girls, the sound of this. A lion. Very good. Boys, the sound of a zebra. Okay, good. All right. Girls, the sound of a dish. Very good. Boys, the sound of a yak. Okay, very good. All right. Girls, the sound of a pig. Boys, here we go. The sound of a giraffe. All right, girls, the sound of a frog. Very good. All right, boys, the sound of a kangaroo.